So here's how to watch other country movies on Netflix PC. Before we start, you can click on my link down in the description to try out Pure VPN for free. Let's start off with the Netflix homepage. If you scroll through here, you will notice the library is curated according to your location. To change that, you need to open up the Pure VPN application on your PC. Here, tap on the location as shown if you want to change the VPN location, for example, Australia. Then, tap on Connect. Your device is now successfully connected to this server. After that, go back and refresh the Netflix website. You will now get access to the Australian Netflix library with all the movies, shows, and originals that are available in Australia but not in your country. And that's it. You can now easily watch other country movies on Netflix PC.